Get ready to witness the future of trading with a revolutionary artificial intelligence indicator that is set to change the game. This will take your trading to the next level and you will start making profits like never before. Because in this video, we're going to unveil a game-changing trading strategy that uses a brand new artificial intelligence indicator for mind-blowing accuracy and profitability. This artificial intelligence trading indicator learns from its previous performance. Think about it. This tool can improve its signals based on the data it has collected in the past. How crazy is that? On top of that, it is super easy to follow, and it is suitable for all markets and timeframes. In this detailed video, we will discuss how this magic indicator works, as well as give you the most effective strategy with it. I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart in a 1-hour time frame to explain the rules of this strategy. So this is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicator. I'll quickly cross out these indicators so I can explain everything from the beginning. So how can we add this indicator to our chart? Well, first you need to log into TradingView and open the charts, then navigate to the indicators menu and search for machine learning. Be sure to select this indicator created by JDE Horty. Machine learning is a classification algorithm capable of categorizing historical data from a multidimensional feature space. This indicator demonstrates how Lorentzian classification can also be used to predict the direction of future price movements when used as the distance metric for a novel implementation of an approximate nearest neighbors algorithm. In physics, Lorentzian space is perhaps best known for its role in describing the curvature of space-time and Einstein's theory of general relativity. Interestingly, however, this abstract concept from theoretical physics also has tangible real-world applications in trading, and we are going to be using this to our advantage today in this strategy. Let's not go into depth about how this theory actually works. Instead, let's cover the key features of the indicator. First, let's start with these numbers that you can see on each candle bar. These are the categories the model assigns to each candle. Basically, more positive numbers correspond to more bullish sentiment in the market, whereas more negative numbers indicate more bearish sentiment. Sequential patterns of these numbers can help identify fractals and determine actual inflection points based on these patterns. This indicator finds buy and sell entry points, which is the second part of the tool. The intensity of these signals is shown by lowering or raising the opacity of labels. And the third part of this indicator is the moving average. This is an estimate based on kernel regression using a rational quadratic kernel. It serves as additional confirmation of the model's predictions. The table you can see in the upper right corner is the last piece of this indicator. This basically displays real-time trade stats for the selected amount of bars. The default is 2,000 bars. Although this indicator can be quite accurate, we shouldn't rely on it blindly in order to prevent false signals. We need to build a solid system of 3 indicators. So for that, we will click on the indicators one more time and search for an exponential moving average. Once we have added it to the chart, we will access its settings and in the input section, change its length to 200. And also in the styles section, change the color to white. This will make it easy to understand on the chart. Now for the next indicator, we will add liable RSI. Make sure to select this one created by Kivanch Ozbilgic. After we have added it to our chart, we will access its settings. In the style section, change the upper line color to red and the lower one to green. That's going to be it for this indicator. Now that our chart is completely set and we know what indicators we will use, let's see how we will use this strategy to open profitable buy and sell positions. When looking to buy, we need to have the following criteria met. First, the price must be closed above the EMA. This signals a long-term uptrend. And during this, we look at the machine learning indicator to issue a signal to buy. After we get a signal, for the last confirmation, at the time a buy signal is given, the liable RSI blue line must cross the lower green band to the upside, just like it did here. The idea is simple. We want to buy when a security is trending upwards, and at the same time, we protect ourselves from an overbought market by using the liable RSI. So once these conditions are met, we can place an order to buy at this candle. Then set our stop loss, and we will exit a profitable trade once the indicator line turns red. We can see it turned red here, so we will close our trade here. If you guys want free buy and sell trades like these, you can also join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. Here's another good example. We can see the price is above the exponential moving average, and we got a buy signal here. So our next step would be to look at the liable RSI to see if the blue line crosses the green line upwards at the same time. And we can see it does. So we will enter this trade, set our stop loss, and get out of the trade whenever this line turns red. And this also would have been a profitable trade. Now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade. For a sell trade, the following conditions must be met. First, we have to make sure to sell only when the price is lower than the exponential moving average. Then we wait for a sell signal from the machine learning indicator. And after we have got a signal, we will look below to see if the Laguerre RSI crosses the upper red line to the downside, exactly opposite to what we want for the buy trades. Remember, this must happen no sooner or later, so when all these conditions are met, we can place a sell order at this candle, set our stop loss, and we will exit a winning sell trade once the line turns from red to green. And this was also a pretty good signal given by this strategy. Now let me give you one more example so that you fully understand the strategy. So here we have the price moving below the EMA, as we already know this signals a downtrend. And again, watch how both indicators confirm this sell entry at the same time. And if we would have opened a sell trade here, after some time this would have also been a profitable sell trade. If you guys also want free profitable buy and sell trades like these, you can join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. I highly urge you to follow the rules we just showed you. Money management is also crucial. You can have the best strategy in the world with the highest win rate, however. If your money management is poor, you will slowly blow up your trading account. So by exiting a winning trade in the way we showed you, you have the opportunity to win big. It certainly won't happen every time. Sometimes your wins will be small, but when you do catch a good trade, that's when the majority of profits will be made. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.